Hello, welcome to the Computer Literacy Center's online instructional video about using keyboard shortcuts in Microsoft Word. Keyboard shortcuts allow you to quickly edit and save documents. My name is Eiley Cummings, and I will guide you through this tutorial. In this video, you will use keyboard shortcuts to organize a document in Microsoft Word. You will cut, copy, and paste text. You will also undo changes you make and save your document. When using Microsoft Word, there are some tasks that you will repeat often, such as copying, pasting, and saving. Typically, you would have to click through menus to perform these actions, but keyboard shortcuts provide a quicker alternative. If you'd like to follow along with the instructions, open the Start file bundled with this video. Once the Start file opens, you will see a yellow bar across the top of the document with a button that says Enable Editing. Click this button, and now you can edit the document. The Copy shortcut allows you to copy a section of text to the clipboard. The clipboard is a storage place within the computer that allows you to temporarily save and reuse text you copy. Scroll down to the second page of the Start file. On this page, there are elements of a recipe, but they're not organized very well. You will move these elements into the table on the first page of the Start file to organize the recipe so it's easier to use. To start, select the list of ingredients. Place your cursor at the bottom of the list after the word chips, then click and drag to the top of the list. The list should now be highlighted in gray. Press Ctrl-C if you're using a PC or Command-C if you're using a Mac on your keyboard. This copies the text to your clipboard. Now scroll up and place your cursor in the Ingredients box and press Ctrl-V if you're using a PC or Command-V if you're using a Mac on your keyboard. This pastes the text you copied into the table. When you paste text or other items in a document, a button with a little clipboard and a drop-down arrow appears at the end of the section of text you pasted. Click on the drop-down arrow. This opens a menu of different paste options you can use. The first option with the paintbrush is the Keep Source Formatting option and is automatically selected. This option keeps the source formatting of the item you copy, so if you copied text that was in a different font, it would keep that font instead of changing it to match the rest of your document. The second option with the arrow is Merge Formatting, which changes the format of whatever you copy to match the rest of your document. The third option with the picture icon is the Picture option, which adjusts the rest of your document to make space for a picture. The last option with the A is Keep Text Only, so if you copied something that had text and pictures, it would only keep the text. Select the Merge Formatting option. This changes the formatting of the text to double-spaced so it fills the ingredients section better. Follow the same steps to add the list of instructions in the Directions section of the table and the text 30 minutes to the estimated prep time box. The Cut shortcut moves text and other items you select to the clipboard. Unlike the Copy shortcut, the Cut shortcut removes whatever you select from its current location and stores it in the clipboard until you paste it. To see it in action, scroll down and select the text 2 cookies, then press Ctrl-X or Command-X on your keyboard. As you can see, the text disappears. Scroll up to the table, place your cursor in the serving size box, then press Ctrl-V or Command-V. This pastes the text you cut into the table. The Undo shortcut allows you to revert the last edit or change you made. To try it out, click on the picture of the cookies to select it, press Ctrl-X or Command-X, then place your cursor in the blank box at the bottom of the table. Press Ctrl-V or Command-V twice. This inserts the picture into the box twice. You only need one picture, so press Ctrl-Z or Command-Z and one of the pictures disappears. The Save shortcut is a quick way to preserve all of the changes you make to a document, so when you open it again, the changes you made are still there. To use this shortcut, press Ctrl-S or Command-S. Since you've already downloaded this document, the changes will be saved automatically. If you haven't saved a document previously and use this shortcut, you will be taken to the Save menu, where you will select a place to save the document on your computer. Make sure to use this shortcut frequently to avoid losing any of your work. In this video, you used keyboard shortcuts to organize a document. You cut, copied, and pasted text. You also used shortcuts to undo a mistake and save the changes you made to your document. Using keyboard shortcuts allows you to save time and be more productive. For more information about Microsoft Word or other computer literacy topics, please visit our website at weber.edu/clc.